Hello, welcome to an e-demo on data synchronization and interactivity in a Victor Enterprise environment. Today what we're going to take a look at is how the Master Application Server, or MAS, interacts with the Satellite Application Servers, or SASs, and how data from the SASs gets synchronized back to the MAS. So first of all then, I'm just going to open up Victor Unified Client on the MAS, and if I go over to the Build tab, I'm going to select Victor Application Servers and Show All, and this is going to open up a list of all of the Victor Application Servers in the enterprise. So that's the MAS itself and all of the SASs. Right now I just have the one SAS added to the MAS, but you can have up to 40. You'll notice next to the SAS there is a client connection state column, and in there it says non-interactive, and that is the default value. When you add a SAS to the MAS, it's going to come in as non-interactive. But what I can do is I can right click on it and I can choose set interactive. And what that's going to do is ensure that everything on the SAS gets synchronized back up to the MAS in real time, and that is everything apart from the Victor journal itself, which is used for reporting. If I move over to the SAS, we can take a look at how often that Victor journal will get synchronized back up to the MAS. So again, if I just open Victor Unified Client, and I'm going to go into the Setup tab this time, and System Values, and you'll see that there's a new option there in the Enterprise environment, and it's called Database Settings Enterprise. If I select that, there's a value there in hours, and that is the journal synchronization time. So that is how often the Victor journal on this SAS gets synchronized back up to the MAS, and that is what the MAS uses for global reporting on all SASs in the enterprise. The default value there is an hour, and that's also the minimum value that we can have, but I can increase that. If I just double click on the field, I can increase that just by typing in a value, so say for example 24, to set that to 1 day.